Save yourself the arthritis in your knees when you're trotting your horse around. I'm going to show you how. Welcome back to Beginner Rider Tips. We are day 6 out of 30 for all my beginner riders. I'm a horse trainer. My name is Miranda Jones, and I am sharing all the tips with you on my page about riding horses and training horses that I have been sharing with my clients over the last 15 years. So let's save those knee joints, because I definitely have arthritis in my knees and I'm only 36, and this is going to help you. When you're trotting on your horse, you don't want the trotting to come from your feet pushing down in the stirrups. It's going to cause your feet to go out and kind of flop like a chicken. What you want to do instead is have it come from your quad muscles and your butt muscles. And you can see there in my core as well. As I'm going up, I don't even need stirrups to post into my trot, because I'm using these muscles here to raise my core and my butt out of the saddle. The momentum of your horse, his movement in his back, is going to help with that as well. So to get yourself started, what I want you to do is grab your saddle horn or the withers of your horse if you're riding English, and you can use this to help you balance and get yourself out of the saddle to begin with if you're very, very new. And then you can start to develop that muscle. It takes quite a bit of muscle here, here, and here to get it done properly. And so if you need to balance a little, that is totally okay, but you need to work on being able to do it without your hands to start though. It's kind of like training wheels to be able to get yourself up and out of the saddle. Another way that you can practice posting on your horse to know that you're getting the right motion is, let me put us on the ground real quick. Okay, so now that we're on the ground, to isolate the actual muscles that you want to be using in a posting trot, I want you to get on the ground and I want you to put your knees about shoulder width apart. Then you're going to lay your feet as flat as you can get them. They don't have to be totally flat. I have bad ankles, so they don't go totally flat. But this position here, and practice rising from the ground and squeezing your butt cheeks together to get a flat, tight core in the front. And this is the actual movement that you are using while you're posting. This movement here. This is going to keep you from using the bottom of your legs. It's going to help you strengthen your core muscles and these muscles in your butt and your quads, so that when you get back on your horse, you're stronger and you can do it in the motion of the horse. So I hope this helps. Give it a try and see if that helps you with your posting trot and with your trot in general.